Hey guys, welcome to Lambs, and today we're gonna be doing a gear shift solve, and I already scrambled it, so we can go ahead to the solve. So I just learned how to solve the gear shift using Red KB's tutorial. He makes it pretty simple, using his own version of solving it. And it works. Just that my gear shift is not good at all. It sometimes locks when you're trying to open it. Okay, sorry, I'm in the middle of an algorithm. I have to focus. Okay. And now you see that I just put in this big corner. So now we only have this small corner. Now you see that all we have to do is pull it apart here, then move this, and then there. So that is how, that's a gear shift solve. If you want to learn how to solve it, you can go to Red KB's tutorial. I might make a tutorial. I'm not absolutely sure about that. But, like, subscribe, do all that crazy stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye.